and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are making a spicy pomegranate sage margarita, and because it is Halloween time, we are going to add a little Halloween spook to it. Give you a little spoiler alert, it is dry ice, makes Halloween cocktails that much more spookier, festive, and just fun. I love making things fun. So I made this already and it is so good. It is like the perfect amount of tart and the perfect amount of spice. So good. So let's get into making this margarita. So I just realized that I said we were making a spicy pomegranate margarita. It is because it does include pomegranate juice, but it's also a Blackberry Sage Margarita. So I mean, call it what it is. I don't know. We'll just call it both Blackberry Pomegranate Margarita with sage. So I'm going to take about 10 blackberries and add it to my cocktail shaker. And then I'm also going to take a stem of sage and tear off the leaves. And I was supposed to rip into tiny little pieces, okay? All right, and then we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. So I have my lime here already cut. I need like a trash can down here so I can just like throw my trash in so it's not like in the frame. All right, so we have the juice of 1 lime. Now we are going to add 1 ounce of agave. I'm not even gonna pronounce this, Madhava. I don't know, organic light agave. I found this from Walmart. So 1 ounce of that. Pour that into the shaker. And now we are going to muddle with a muddler or whatever you have at home. You can use a spoon, a fork. If you don't have a muddler, you do not need this. But you're going to now muddle all of your ingredients. All right, so once you are done muddling the ingredients, we're going to take 1 ounce of pomegranate juice. I'm using Palm Wonderful juice. Use whatever kind of pomegranate juice you'd like. Put that into the cocktail shaker. And then we're going to use 2 ounces of spicy tequila. Today I am using Ghost Tequila's spicy tequila for this recipe. There's all my pomegranate juice. All right, we're making cocktails, we're not sipping limes, it doesn't need to be pretty. And then 2 ounces of spicy tequila. Now, we are going to shake this. I do have a lid for this, however, it is not a leak-proof cocktail shaker, so I'm going to shake this off camera. All right, so now that we have shaken our margarita, I have this beautiful black and gold coupe glass. I just got this from Target. It is so pretty, along with these gold drink stirrers, but I'm using it as a cocktail pick, and I just paired my garnish with 4 blackberries. So we are going to strain this into the glass. Now for the fun part, we are going to add the dry ice. Now remember, when dealing with dry ice, you need to be extremely careful. Do not touch the dry ice with your hands. Use some gloves. I have tongs. Do not get anywhere close to the dry ice. I store it in our freezer, but please do your own research on reading up on dry ice and safety you can do. I am not a doctor, so please do your own research, as well as do not take a drink of the cocktail until the dry ice has completely dissolved. Then you can take a sip and drink your cocktail and enjoy it. So I'm going to bring my cocktail over to the bar cart and put the dry ice in there.